Hi, my name is Michael Murphy and I'm an oil painter. Today I'm going to paint on a small board, 16 by 16 inches, Ailsa Craig in Scotland. Hope you like it. I'm using titanium white and black and three other colours, alizarin crimson, lemon yellow and phthalo blue. That's it. And I'm going to mix a number of exciting colours using only these colours. It gives it a continuity. You can see clearly the amount and the variety of seascape colours that you can get from just these colours. And then I've got to quickly get this painting to read. So what you've just seen me do is spray on white spirit, it's a thinner from a spray bottle, and then quickly put paint on here so that it reads, because I'm the type of painter, if I don't see something developing, I very quickly lose interest. So I'm just splashing on oil paint here and I'll move it about because it is oil paint after all. I'll darken the bottom and I'll put more alizarin crimson in with the phthalo blue and white mix. And let's see what happens. After a few splashes with the brush, I'm quickly into my knife. The sky determines the singing and dancing level, the looseness of the painting. I got that from my friend in Australia, Ken Knight, a beautiful, brilliant, one of Australia's best impressionist artists, and this is one of his types of sky. I've just wiped out some of the oil paint there to put in Ailsa Craig. It's a huge rock in between Scotland and Ireland. It's just outside my front window. Hope you like it. So I've quickly painted in some sea colour, and now I'm putting some sand colours from what I've mixed down in my palette, which is a mirror. I hope you like it. And now I'm getting in with the knife again. It's beautiful how the dark paints just slide onto the wet paint for the base of the rocks. Love this part of the painting. Again, I'm just wiping out some oil paint from underneath the rocks, and I'm going to put some blue in here for a bit of water so I can put some reflections in. And this helps it read very, very loosely though. I can tidy this up and move it around later, don't worry. You'll see that happening just a bit now. So I'm going to the top of the rocks here and putting some warmer colour. Again, I'm being adventurous here, but I know I've done these paintings 100 times. I can move it around. Now back in with a tile gritter, and love this tool, absolutely love it. This part of the painting is great. Putting in some bright white foam and just sliding it around. Here's some reflections going in to slide that little soft brush over, and I'll put some whites on top of this eventually. Hope you're liking it. This palette knife is my favourite tool of all time. Sliding white paint around and back in with the tile gritter and just making it loose, making it sing and dance. And now for the signature at the end. Hope you've enjoyed watching this short tutorial, and I certainly have, and there's plenty more to come. Put your comments in. This is a good little tip at the end for the rigger brushes. I'll wrap it, after I've cleaned it, I'll wrap it in silver foil, and that keeps it nice and straight. Here's the final painting. I love it, absolutely love it, nice and bright, and that's what the palette looks like after mixing it all. And please put your comments and whatever else you want me to show you demonstrations of. Bye for now.